In previous class, I have solved some examples of exercise 1.4, and in this exercise I had solved round off the number to the nearest 10, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands, and estimating product. I also studied about estimating product. So now I am going to start exercise 1.4. First number question is estimate each of the following number to the nearest 10. In question number 1, estimate each of the following number to the nearest tens. 42. We are given a number 42. We have to estimate to nearest 10. So you have studied that to rounding off to nearest 10, we at first see the number of ones digit. Here ones digit is less than 5, so we replace 2 by 0 and write the next number. Rounding off to nearest 10, 42 is equal to 40, because here one's digit is less than 5, so we replace 2 by 0 and write the other digit same. Similarly, next number 153, 4 number question. 4 number of 153 we are given, and you have to estimate the given number to nearest 10. Rounded off to nearest 10. At first we see the number at one's digit. Here one's digit is less than 5, so the rounding number is equal to 150. We replace 3 by 0 and write the other number same. So the rounding off to nearest 10, 153 is equal to 150. And all questions of question number 1 will be similarly solved. And question number 2. In question number 2, round off each of the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. As for 463, you have to round off the 463 into nearest 100. If we have to estimate nearest 100, we see the tens digit. Here tens digit is more than 5, so we increase hundreds digit by 1 and write 20 at tens digit and ones digit. Rounding off rounded off to nearest 100, 463. 463 is equal to 500 because tens digit is more than 5. Here tens digit is more than 5, so we increase hundreds digit by 1 and write 00 at tens digit and ones digit. So the estimated number is equal to 500. Similarly, V number of 2, 6932. 6932. We have to rounding off nearest 100. Here we see that tens digit is more than less than tens digit is nearest 100. We see that tens digit is less than 3, so we replace tens digit and ones digit by 0. The rounded off to nearest 100. 6932 is equal to 6900 because tens digit is less than 5, so we replace tens digit and ones digit by 0 and write the other digits same. So the rounding number is equal to 6900. And in question number 3, round off each of the following numbers in the nearest thousand. So I am going to solve one problem of question number 3. Each of the following numbers to the nearest thousand. The given number is 6139. 6139. We have to rounding off the number to nearest thousand. To change in thousand place, we see that hundreds digit is less than 5. So we replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0, rounded off to nearest thousand. Rounded off to nearest thousand. 6139 is equal to 6000 because hundreds digit is less than 5, so we replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. Hence the estimated number, rounding number, is equal to 6000. Question number 18589. 18589. The given number is 18589. 4 number question. 4 number of 3. You have to round off the given number to nearest thousand. Rounding off to nearest thousand, at first we see the hundreds digit at hundreds place. The digit at 100 plus is 5. Yeah, more than 5, we increase thousands digit by 1 and write 00 at hundreds, tens and ones digit. So the rounded off to nearest thousand, rounded off to nearest thousand, rounded off to the nearest thousand, 18589 is equal to 1930. Because hundreds digit is 5, so we increase thousands digit by 1 and write 000 on hundreds, tens and ones digit. So the rounded number of 18,589 is equal to 19,000. The all questions of question number 1, 2, 3, and now I am going to solve question number 4. I am going to solve question number 4. In question number 4, round off each of the following to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. प्रश्न 4 में प्रत्येक संख्या को दहाई, सैकड़े और हज़ार में हमें सन्निकटीकरण मान निकालना है. 6839 rounded off to the nearest 10, rounded off to the nearest 10 for 6839 is equal to, here ones digit is more than 5, so we increase tens digit by 1 and write 0 at ones digit. So the estimated number is equal to 6840. Rounded off to the nearest 10, the value of 6839 is equal to 6840, because the tens digit, here the ones digit is more than 5, so we increase tens digit by 1 and write 0 at ones digit. So the rounding off to the nearest 10 is equal to 6840. Rounded off to nearest 100, rounded off to nearest 100, 6839 is equal to to change in nearest 100, we see the tens digit of the number. So here we see that tens digit is less than 5. So we replace 3 and 9 by 0 and write the other digits same. So the estimated number is equal to 6839 is equal to 6800. 6800. 6800. Now rounded off to the nearest thousands, rounded off to the nearest thousands, 6839 is equal to 6839 is equal to 7000, because hundreds digit is more than 5, so we increase thousands digit by 1 and write 30 on hundreds, tens and ones digit. So rounding off to the nearest thousand, the value of 6839, approximate value of 6839 is equal to 7,000. And in this method, you can solve all questions of this chapter. You will try question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in the next class, I will solve your problem. Thank you.